Hi friends, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm really glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading using technical analysis. I'll use the help of trend lines. I'll use the support level, the resistance level, and also I'll be looking at how price is approaching these levels before opening a trade. And also I'm inviting you to join my private chat in Telegram channel. In this channel you can be able to learn more about binary trading. You can ask all your questions. I'll be replying to all your questions, and also you can be able to use my trading signals to make very good profit. So if you would like to join this channel, go under this video. There is a link to my personal chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. You can join there and ask all your questions, use my trading signals to make very good profit, and also interact with the other members of the group. So please join. And also I'm asking you to support this channel, and the only way to do that is by giving this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel. So let me find my first entry point for today. As you can see on the chart, this is a very good upward movement, and also I added the trend line on the chart. You can see that price has trended according to the trend line and is moving higher and higher. This is a good moment to open a trade up for 1 minute because price is likely to keep trending higher. So as you can see that during this time, price hasn't moved up very much, but it was enough for me to get good profit, and I will continue. So here on this situation, you can see that price has been trending up, but also we can see that the testing of the trend lines has happened and price has been trending higher, and I suppose that the price is about to move up. Hence I entered the market here with an up trade. So here you can see that the trade was closed higher than the entry point and I got good profit. Well, here you can see that the price is moving in the flat zone, and I'll base this trade on the support level. So here I'm going to open a trade basing on the approach of this level, which it is doing. So now I'm going to enter the market with an up trade for 1 minute. So as you can see, the entry point was very good and I got very good profit. So here you can see that the price approached the upper border of the channel, and I think that the price will be trending in this flat zone next. Hence why I'm going to open a trade down for 1 minute. As you can see, the price approached this level and I got very good profit. So here you can see that the price is testing the support level, and for a while you can see that price has been moving at this level. So price is moving up, and I'm going to open an up trade for 1 minute and wait for the results. So this turned out quite well. You can see price moved higher and I got very good profit. Well, here we can see in this situation that the new price maximum formed lower than the previous one, and this signals the continuation of the bullish trend. So here I'm going to try and work out this situation, although you can see the volatility is low. So here I'm going to open a trade up for 1 minute. So here we can see that despite the small move up, I got very good profit. So let me go on. So next I want to put the trend line on the downward movement borders, because to trade on the borders of the flat zone is quite dangerous here. So I waited for the price to move up to the trend line, and after the impulsive red candlestick, I opened a trade down for 1 minute. So this entry point was very good because price moved down and my trade was profitable. Well, looking at this situation, here you can see the downward movement that became much stronger, and to open a trade down is a good idea here. Hence I'll open a down trade for 2 minutes with my entire deposit. So as you can see here, price really moved down, but after that there was the impulsive red candlestick, but I got very good profit despite this. And you can see that now my deposit is $5,124, and I would like to stop here for today. So that was quite awesome. I was able to hit my goal for today. You can do it as well. It's not very difficult at all. If you master all the skills of technical analysis, you can be able to do as I did today and make very good profit on your own. If you want to learn more about technical analysis, check out my previous videos on my channel. You'll find there videos about it, and you can be able to practice in your own time and make very good profit on your own. And also, if you have further questions concerning today's trades, there is a link under this video. That link is linked to my personal chat. You can use that link to join my private chat. Write me with the code word money team and I'll add you to this private chat. You can join and ask your questions. I'm ready to reply all your questions. You can also use my trading signals to make very good profit. You can also interact with the other members of the group, so I urge you to join. And also, if you really like my video, if you really like my content, if you like today's video, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family, and also don't forget to subscribe down below to this channel, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when there's a new video up. So thanks so much for watching and good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.